morning students, how are you? Fine? Okay. We have read this chapter curly locks and three bears in previous time. पहले हम पढ़ चुके हैं ना curly locks and three bears chapter. Okay. Now let's we start exercise in workbook page number 85. Curly locks and three bears. Okay. Now you have to complete exercise in your workbook. Okay. अब आपको ये एक्सरसाइज जो है वो वर्कबुक में कंप्लीट करना है. ओके ओके. राइट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए बी सी डी इन द बॉक्सेस. यू हैव टू फिल दिस बॉक्सेस विद करेक्ट ऑप्शन. आपको करेक्ट ऑप्शन इस बॉक्सेस में फिल करना है एंड इसमें जो करेक्ट है वो आपको फिल अप करना है. ओके. यू हैव टू फिल अप हियर. ओके ओके. नंबर 1, curly locks went to a near her house. curly locks अपने घर के पास कहाँ पर गई थी? forest, zoo, cottage, lake. curly locks went to a forest. Okay, forest. A option. number first पे आपको फिल करना है. you have to write here forest and A option. बॉक्सेस में आपको A ऑप्शन फिल करना है. ओके. बॉक्स में there was in the cottage. तो there was in the cottage. anybody, somebody, everybody, nobody. कॉटेज में nobody यानी कोई नहीं था. ओके. nobody. nobody. ऑप्शन नंबर nobody. D option. ओके ओके. नंबर 3 द लिव्ड इन द कॉटेज. कॉटेज में कौन रहता था? फॉक्स फैमिली, बियर फैमिली, मंकी फैमिली, जिराफ फैमिली. तो बियर फैमिली लिव्ड इन द कॉटेज. बियर फैमिली BEAR FAMILY family. Okay. and option number C. Okay. number 4 curly locks saw bowls of porridge on the table. curly locks ने टेबल पर कितने porridge के बाउल्स देखे थे? there were 3 types of bowl kept on the table. Okay. तो 3 THREE 3. Okay. 3. option number C. number 5 the big bowl was for. big bowl किसका था? big bowl was for Papa Bear. option number B. number 6 the porridge in the big bowl was. जो बिग बॉल का porridge था वो कैसा था? that was too hot. option number C. number 7 the porridge in the middle size bowl was. middle size bowl था that was mama bear's bowl. ओके. तो उसका जो porridge था वो कैसा था? that was too cold. option number D. Okay. number 8 the porridge in the bowl was just right. कौन से बाउल का जो porridge था वो बिल्कुल ठीक था? वो that was not too cold, not too hot. वो ना ज्यादा गर्म था ना ज्यादा ठंडा था. तो tiny bowl. TINY tiny. ओके. option number A. number 9 the middle size bed was for. जो middle size का बेड था वो किसका था? that was for Mama Bear. Option number C. Number 10. The big bed was very. जो big bed था पापा बियर का था, वो कैसा था? That was too hard था, कठोर था, सख्त था, ओके, hard. Option number A. Option number B. Number 11. The middle size bed was too. वो जो मम्मा बियर का बेड था, that was too soft. Okay, soft. And so at T, soft. Option number D. Okay. Now we will fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks fill करेंगे. Yes, some words are given here. इसमें से हमको सिलेक्ट करके इसमें से भरना है. Okay, तो hot, hard, tiny, curly, hungry, big, bright, cold, soft. इसमें से जो भी करेक्ट होगा वो हम इसमें भरेंगे. Okay. Number 1. Curly locks had hair. Curly locks के जो हेयर थे वो कैसे थे? That was curly. Number 1. Curly. Fill-ups. Number 1. Curly. Okay. Number 2. The porridge in the big bowl was very hot. जो porridge था big bowl का वो कैसा था? बहुत ज्यादा hot था. Number 3. The porridge in the middle size bowl was too cold. The middle size का जो bowl था, जो porridge था bowl का वो कैसा था? That was too cold. Number 4. The porridge in the tiny bowl was just right. तो tiny bowl का जो porridge था वो that was just right for her. That was not too cold, not too hot. Okay, number 5. The big bed was very hard. जो big bed था वो बहुत ज्यादा कठोर था. Okay, number 6. The middle size bed was too soft. जो middle size bed था that was too soft, बहुत ज्यादा soft था. Number 7. Curly locks slept in the little bed. Curly locks किसके बेड पे सो गई थी? Tiny little bed. वो जो बेबी बियर था ना उसके बेड पे सो गई थी. Number 8. The bed was very hard. कौन सा बेड सबसे ज्यादा हार्ड था? The big bed was very hard. Number 9. Curly locks was so sick. The porridge. Curly locks बहुत ज्यादा क्या थी? हंग्री थी, भूखी थी, इसलिए उसने सारा porridge खा लिया. Okay. Now we will give the answer of these questions. Okay, answer the questions. Yeah. Question answers. Number 1. Answer the questions. Number 1 question. Who lived in the cottage? Cottage में कौन रहता था? The bear family lived in the cottage. You have to write here. Answer में write करना है आपको. Answer. The bear family lived in the cottage. Lived in the cottage. Okay. Answer number 1. Now answer number 2. Okay. How was the porridge porridge from the big bowl. Big bowl का जो porridge था वो कैसा था? That was the porridge from the big bowl. The porridge from the big bowl was very hot. Okay. Now answer number 3. How was the porridge from the middle size bowl? Middle size की बाउल में porridge कैसा था? The porridge from the middle size bowl was too cold. Okay. Answer number 4. From which bowl did Curly Locks eat the porridge? किसके बाउल से कर्ली लॉक्स ने वो porridge खाया था? Curly Locks ate the porridge from previous bowl. Curly Locks ate the porridge from which bowl did Curly Locks eat the porridge? तो Curly Locks ate the porridge from all the bowls. उसने सभी बॉल में से थोड़ा थोड़ा खाया था. ओके, तो ate the porridge from all the bowls. Next, answer number 5. How was the big bed? Big bed कैसा था? The big bed was very hard. The big bed was very hard. Okay. Now answer number 6. How was the middle size bed? Middle size जो था वो bed का size कैसा था? Middle size bed was मतलब वो कैसा था? किस टाइप का था? Middle size bed was the middle size bed was too soft. Now answer number 7. In which bed did Curly Locks sleep? किसके बेड पे Curly Locks सोई थी? Curly Locks बताइए किसके बेड पे सोई थी? She slept in the tiny little bed. किसके बेड पर सोई थी? कौन से बेड पर सोई थी? Curly Locks slept in the tiny little bed. वो छोटे से जो बेबी बियर का बेड था ना वो उस पर सोई थी. ओके, गुड. Now turn the page number 98. Write 2 rhyming words. You have to write here 2 same pronunciation words. Rhyming word लिखना है आपको. जैसे now write 2 rhyming words. Number 1 care. तो care का fear का हो जाएगा fear. FAR fear. RAR rear. Okay. Number 2 right का bright. Number 3, bold. Bold का hold, fold, fold. Okay, number 4, walk का top and chop. Label, number 5, label, L-A-B-E-L, label, L-A-B-E-L, label का cable, C-A-B-L, cable, and table, T-A-B-L-E, table. It is same pronunciation, same line पर, okay? Okay. So, it is enough for today lecture. Now, we will meet the next video, next lecture, okay? So, you have to finish this exercise with this video help. ये वीडियो देखकर आपको ये एक्सरसाइज पूरी फिल करना है, okay? You have any problem, you can ask me on Google Meet, okay? Okay. We will meet the next time. Okay. Bye bye.